Hello to all my viewers. Welcome back to another episode of Chillax with Joe's Chai. We're going to have a lovely session today. It's going to be Pooja Vyas from Gujarat, a beautiful personality, a very strong woman, in fact. And she is definitely a person who can represent women empowerment. She's very, very, very well known in the state of Gujarat. To all my viewers, keep sharing, keep liking. Also, subscribe our channel, that is the UTM Hunt channel. Also, comment below how do you feel about this entire session that we are planning. So, Chillax with Joe's Chai is all about sharing light moments with the great minds of India. It need not be a celebrity. It can be anybody across India who's done fantastic job for India, for the mankind, for humanity, for animals, the ones who work daily for us, the municipality, the bureaucrats, the government employees, our teachers, doctors. There are so many of them working hard and not recognized. A lot of them are unsung. Some of them are of course known to the world, to our nation. We're going to have all of that. To all my viewers, there's also a fantastic talent hunt, a talent competition that's happening, which is the UTM Unsung Talent Miracles. It is for all ages, for all category of talents. All that you have to do is to register. Visit www.jmorphinc.org. That's the website that you will have to visit to register for the talent hunt competition. And meanwhile, stay tuned, follow our videos, follow this show. Everybody asked me if this was something to do like coffee with Karan. Of course, that's Karan, and this is a different atmosphere altogether. And this is Jojo. Now we're going to have Chillax with Joe's Chai. Uh, I hope all my tea toddlers, tea lovers would join in. Do create your watch parties. Do share the links when you're live. In a couple of minutes, we're going to have Pooja ji, who's joining us. I'm sure we're going to have a fantastic women leader, a woman leader from Gujarat. We're going to make her live in 2 minutes. So I'm so happy that she's already on her hot seat. And even today, I was very happy to see her without her makeup. and and I had a fantastic time, and I almost embarrassed her. She said she'll get back at me during the show. She's a very dangerous woman as well. She's been inspiring a lot many students of this generation. So all my viewers, please log on and please also share. I hope Pooja ji's team is also sharing the video on her pages, and all our viewers, please share. We're gonna have a lovely time. So Pooja Vyas is from Gujarat, and she is Tiara Mrs. International Classic 2018 winner, and she's also the Tiara Mrs. Popular 2018. She's an amazing fashion icon, a lady who came up with all her might and strength, and she never gave up. She never had anybody to back her or support her during her career. And that's what I understood about her. And we're going to know more about her. And especially being from the state of Gujarat, it is a challenge. And I'm sure she's done excellent to reach this point in her life. So I'm going to join Pooja Vyas ma'am. And ladies and gentlemen, we are live. Hello, Pooja ji. How are you?
Hi, how are you people? How are you? How are
I'm
you, Jojo?
absolutely fine. I'm absolutely fine. Your people are fine. Your fans are fine. Yo, your chai is ready. Okay, let's
Yeah.
have a cheers. Cheers.
Cheers. Yeah,
Cheers with
cheers.
chai. Fantastic.
Absolutely.
You can have a
How
sip,
are
ma'am.
you
After
doing?
cheers, you're not supposed to keep the cup of tea. You need to have a
Ah,
sip. Cheers.
uh-huh. See,
Cheers
I
करने
have
के बाद
got
एक
a bigger one. I have got
अच्छा.
bigger one.
Cheers. Please have your
Cheers.
sip.
Cheers, everybody. Cheers, all the viewers.
Yes.
Cheers to life.
So, ma'am, initially itself, it is always these, the tradition for you to wish all your statesmen, the Gujarati people, your hi in Gujarati language.
Kem cho? How are you all? Kem cho? Majama cho? That's
Ah, that,
Gujarati, our
yes, that's
style.
one. So
Kem
everybody's
cho?
supposed to reply saying Majama che, or
Majama.
how do they reply? Majama.
Usually people reply Majama. Majama.
Oh,
That is a
oh,
Gujarati custom. Majama.
okay. So it's so
So
wonderful to see you, ma'am. It's so wonderful to see you. And it was a shocker for me. Normally, I believe as a viewer, when I used to see models without makeup, they look different. With makeup, they look different. But in your case, you look beautiful anyhow.
Jojo, I'm sure that you have done your homework so well. And you are going to write a book on how to please a woman,
Oh
and you
my
will be
God.
the author.
That's a
Thank you very
fantastic
much.
comment, ladies and gentlemen. See, I know how to please a woman is what I didn't say, but Pooja ma'am said. So please share the video. Please share the video, everybody. You can also subscribe to our channel, which is the UTM Hunt channel, where you can watch our recorded show as well. And we want this show. So Pooja ma'am, I want to tell you today that this show
Mhm.
is meant to be a learning platform as well for the current
Absolutely
generation and the future generation, because
wonderful.
it is very बहुत आसान होता है कि to look at somebody on TV or look at their success, but उनके पीछे क्या hard work हुआ है, क्या क्या सहना पड़ता है, वो किसी को मालूम नहीं होता है. So that is the reason we want great minds to join in. So Pooja ma'am,
Absolutely.
I know very well, as you said, I studied about you. You did not come from a golden spoon family. No. You had your
Absolutely
struggle,
not.
you had your struggle, you had all your hardships that you had to face. So let us begin by you explaining in the Sada Chai segment about your family and your upbringing.
Right. Okay. As you mentioned yourself, wonderful. I must appreciate the host who does his homework. So first and
Thank you.
foremost, cheers to you, Jojo.
Thank you,
Like
Pooja ma'am.
normally लोग live करते हैं, they do not research. तो आपने बहुत
Okay.
अच्छा research किया है.
Ji.
Um, you might have heard this term, which is called scarcity is a mother of invention.
Invention. Wow.
When you do not have scarcity, you are not looking for anything in your life. You are contented, you are full, you are done.
True.
So people who are trying to find something, they are
Ji.
in need of something.
Oh.
So being the third child of my parents,
Uh-huh.
usually usually it is called in like the third is extra.
Okay.
You
Okay.
an extra gift to your parents or a curse to your parents or a responsibility to your parents, but
Okay.
yes, you have heard.
Okay.
So feeling of being the last in the family, it always led me towards finding a reason.
Acha.
To be very true, I was never loved or expected by the parents in a way I wanted, because when our parents are struggling with their own
Acha.
careers, lives, brother, sister, academics, education, finance, and
True.
suddenly your presence in their life becomes a kind of attention seeking to them as well.
बिल्कुल
So for
बिल्कुल.
me, my childhood was a very ordinary, very, very
Uh-huh.
ordinary. I would say less than ordinary is the right word.
Okay.
And three things were compulsory. The first is attention seeking, which
Uh-huh.
was always there. Parents के मुंह से ये सुनना that wow, fantastic, fabulous was always one of my top priority.
Wow.
I have a beautiful looking elder sister also. So
Uh-huh.
उनको एक देख के बड़ा होना was my second level कि उनको up
Okay.
to the mark बनना.
एक तरह की
So
रोल मॉडल थी.
एब्सोल्युटली. सो
Okay.
चाइल्डहुड से ही मुझे एक जो आपको पता है ना, एक सेल्फ कंटेंटेड होने की एक जर्नी जो इंसान की होती है, वो मेरी
जी.
तब से ही शुरू हो गई थी जोजो.
Okay. Okay.
टू बी वेरी ट्रू, इट्स नॉट न्यू, दिस जर्नी इज नॉट न्यू, दिस हार्ड वर्क इज नॉट न्यू, इट वाज
Okay.
एक्सपेक्ट, ये
अच्छा.
एक्सपेक्टेड.
Okay. Okay. So you're telling me that your childhood was as good as a Poppins, a Sip Up, and a cotton candy. Am I right? It was very normal. ऐसा नहीं है कि directly you were put into a fantastic gym and a yoga session. No, no. So you
No,
learned
no.
it like a normal child.
To be very true, my whole childhood was with the tiffin from home,
Okay.
lunchbox made by
Oh,
mom,
so sweet.
that
I know.
oily hands, all
I
those
know.
oily hands,
And when you
all those घर का
and when you
खाना.
open your tiffin box, आसपास सब लोग आते हैं. Today you are my friend. देना थोड़ा.
Let
Huh?
me tell you, Joe, मैं
Okay.
इतने I was like, because I couldn't afford those costly kind of lunch box जो दोस्त लेके आते थे, sandwiches, cheese,
अच्छा.
macaroni, pizza, pasta,
जी.
chips. I
जी.
never had those luxury. तो
Okay.
जब भी मेरा टिफिन खुलता था तो उसमें
Okay.
सरप्राइजिंग एलिमेंट कुछ भी नहीं था,
अच्छा.
एक्सक्लूडिंग
अच्छा.
दैट ऑयली सब्जी और रात
Okay.
की बची हुई रोटी.
बाप रे. but don't you think we miss all those, Pooja ji? वो भी समय एक, it was a fantastic moment. Yeah, to be
And it
brought
was
up like.
fab. सबसे अच्छी
Okay.
बात क्या थी, जो we had
Okay.
friends to sit together, we
अच्छा.
had people to share our tiffin.
बिल्कुल.
आज की
बिल्कुल.
जनरेशन के पास they are sharing only on stories.
बाहर दिखता भी नहीं मैम. पहले पहले देयर यूज्ड टू बी ग्रैनीज हु यूज्ड टू स्टैंड एट द गेट और एक दूसरे के घर के बारे में पूछते थे. आजकल वो नहीं होता है.
Never.
That is
This
exactly what.
generation is missing that fun
True.
badly.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. I know, playing on the streets, breaking some windows, वो सब होना ही है. That is how you grow up, in the sand, in the mud. So
Absolutely.
Pooja ma'am, being from such a family, who was more of an inspiration to you? Was it one of your sisters, or or your parents?
To be very true, Jojo, the inspiration parts come from women around. To be very
Okay.
true, a female look up to a female, but she
Okay.
craves for a male. These are the
Okay.
two realities.
अच्छा.
हर फीमेल को क्रेविंग होता है एक मेल का, which is very obvious. It is God made combination.
Okay.
But she looks up to another female always
Oh.
because she had to follow somebody's path.
Okay.
तो मैं चाहे कितने भी मेल क्रेविंग में क्यों ना रहूं कि मुझे इस जैसा हस्बैंड चाहिए, ऐसा होना
जी.
चाहिए, दैट्स ऑल क्रेविंग मटेरियल. बट
जी.
व्हेन यू
जी.
हैव टू ड्रॉ योर ओन लाइफ, तो मेरी
Okay.
लाइफ में 3 तरह के फीमेल्स का बहुत इंपॉर्टेंस रहा है. ऑल
हाँ.
दोस टीचर्स, लाइक
Okay.
अच्छे अच्छे टीचर्स जो रहे हैं, फीमेल टीचर्स. पेरेंट्स
Okay.
में मेरी मॉम, शी वाज आल्सो वर्किंग फीमेल, और हमेशा काम करना, हमेशा
अच्छा.
बैलेंसिंग को स्ट्रगल करना. आई हैव सीन हर स्ट्रगलिंग. सी
Okay.
उनके मुंह पे हमेशा एक वर्किंग फीमेल का गिल्ट दिखना, एक
बाप रे.
लाइक व्हेन पीपल यूज्ड टू ट्रीट हर के ओ आप तो काम करते हो, तो
जी.
उनके मुंह पे एक गिल्ट दिखता था दैट आई एम नॉट एबल टू गिव माय चिल्ड्रन दोस कंफर्ट्स व्हिच अ हाउस मेकर इज गिविंग.
Yeah.
So my
Yeah.
mom was actually, rather than feeling a proud that she is earning money for family, I could
Okay.
see that guilt on her face. So she
Okay.
was my inspiration. That
Okay.
working female is not a curse. We
जी.
are also as
बिल्कुल.
important to the family like other female of the family.
You're
So
talking like a very strong woman character. I mean, you have faced it. I'm sure you have faced it, and it is deep inside you, and that has been your driving, the motivation. Yeah.
absolutely, because see, Jojo, the world, like, let me give you a small example.
जी.
Like हमारा कैसा पैटर्न रहा था फैमिली में, दैट मॉम एंड डैड
Okay.
दोनों ही ऑफिस जाते थे. मॉम अपनी
जी.
ऑफिस, डैड अपनी ऑफिस. टू बी वेरी
Okay.
ट्रू, इट वाज अ स्ट्रगल टू अर्न मनी. आप बोलो, आप कुछ भी बोल सकते हो, लाइक स्ट्रगल टू अर्न मनी टू रन द शो. बट
अच्छा.
सिनेरियो कैसा होता था कि पापा घर पे आके सोफे पे बैठते थे, दैट हाय टुडे आई एम टायर्ड, एंड माय मॉम
जी.
यूज्ड टू रश टू द किचन दैट माय
अच्छा.
चिल्ड्रन आर हंग्री,
कुछ
I have
बना
to
के
cook
देना है.
for the family.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
she was on her toes.
Wow.
So that a kind of inequality, a
Okay.
kind
Okay.
of gender bias,
Okay.
a kind of responsibility sharing जो मुझे दिखा.
जी.
तो छोटी छोटी चीजें जो मेरा माइंड, मेरा सबकॉन्शियस माइंड उस वक्त पे सिर्फ ऑब्जर्व कर सकता था,
Okay.
But later on, when I got a chance, when I
Okay.
got a chance to talk about, I
Ji.
always tried to bring all those small points in
Uh,
society to be corrected.
Correct, correct, and which is why today you're a very well-known personality grooming, personality as well, and you are doing the correction job, is what I could say, but on a very higher platform. And so, ma'am, because you went through all this, आप जब छोटे थे, like, did you develop any particular hobbies, or did you develop any particular discipline in your life?
To be very true, one of the biggest discipline which I learned at very early age is
Okay,
very early age. People don't look at who you are; they
okay,
judge
okay,
you through your character.
बिल्कुल,
Character
बिल्कुल,
building was one of the lesson which I learned at very early age.
okay,
A female with a strong character can take a stand. बिकॉज
wow,
मैं आपसे कितनी भी अच्छी बातें कर लूं, जो मैं आपको कितना भी अच्छा अच्छा कम्युनिकेशन करके दिखाऊं, बट एट द एंड यू आर गोना चेक माय वे ऑफ लिविंग, you are
absolutely,
going to check
absolutely,
on my character, you are going to
जी.
check on my history, my past, my way of living, how I carried this. So very early age I learned this lesson, that whoever has stood somewhere, they have
Okay.
maintained their character building. So that
Wow.
was
Wow.
very important for me, very very
मैं
important.
एंड बिकॉज ऑफ ऑल दिस आई फील भगवान ने आपको और एक बहुत अच्छा चीज दिया है जिसको बिल्कुल नहीं होगा, एंड इट्स योर लवली कैमरा दैट्स देयर इन योर on your neck. That's a lovely beauty mark, yeah. Because half the time when I see your face, Bhagwan is telling me to look down, look at that lovely camera that I have. Better talk nicely.
You will be you will be surprised to know, like while
Okay,
I was young, आप बहुत
okay,
हंसोगे इस बात के ऊपर, जब मैं छोटी थी तो
अच्छा,
I had this big mole, right? This is a big mole in
okay,
my, so I used to go to doctors that
अच्छा,
can I
okay,
remove these? Let me
no,
tell you something. I
okay,
used to go to doctor that I have got a mark, I have got a special black spot, and I
हाँ,
really want to get rid of it. I used to read those home remedies. I used
okay.
to talk to doctors. I used to talk to people that how do I remove this? Because it is in such a center, Jojo. You
That's
feel that
beautiful.
somebody has aligned it.
आई नो. इसलिए मैं बोला कि भगवान नहीं दिया है, और कुछ भी नहीं हो सकता है, बिकॉज इट्स सो वंडरफुल. एंड वो बात करते ही आई अंडरस्टैंड दैट यू गॉट मैरिड एट द एज ऑफ 18. this is a
Absolutely.
this is a perfect start to any woman empowerment, any strong woman. And ma'am, how does it feel? You have carried a great responsibility, a great innings. It's a beautiful test match, a marriage, is what I believe. Since IPL शुरू हो रहा है, तो थोड़ा क्रिकेटिंग टर्म्स भी बताऊंगा. तो इस innings कैसा लगा आपको? Like, how are you facing, I mean, balancing the whole thing?
Yes, I'll tell you something. Something very beautiful to all lovely viewers here. Like,
जी.
see, there are two kind of people. If you
Okay.
think that you are queen, then you should opt for a king.
Oh.
So सबसे पहले हमारे लाइफ की है ना, व्हाट इज एग्नी ऑफ अ ह्यूमन लाइफ, कि
Okay.
राजा को रानी नहीं चलती, उसको
जी.
एक फॉलोवर चाहिए, और
Okay.
रानी को राजा नहीं चलता, उसको भी एक नौकर की फ्रेम में वी फाइंड अ पीपल लाइक दिस.
जी.
दिस इज नॉट
जी.
बैलेंसिंग ऑफ लाइफ. यहाँ
Okay.
से पैर टूटता है. सो मैंने
Okay.
ये सोचा दैट इफ आई फील दैट आई एम समवन, आई एम
Okay.
समबडी, I respect my own arrogance, ego, self-respect, then I have to find a man with the same values. तो अगर
बिल्कुल,
मैं
बिल्कुल.
रानी समझती हूँ खुद को, तो वो भी राजा ही रहेगा.
Wow.
So to be very true, I see it on a very different zonal, like
Okay, okay.
two different gender, two
ठीक है.
different character, two
Okay.
different mentalities. So at
Wow.
the age of 17 and half, when I thought of getting married with someone, and I
जी.
married at the age of 18, you are absolutely right.
Yeah, yeah.
One thing was definitely sure, that when you are buying a costly item in your life,
Uh-huh.
then you have to make sure that you can maintain it.
आप आपके हस्बैंड को आइटम बुलाया?
Yeah, very costly.
कॉस्टली
He
आइटम.
is, yeah, such a, because you have to
Wow.
use your brain, you have
Okay.
to keep carry on. You have to, अगर आपको रानी रहना है जिंदगी में तो राजा को भी मेंटेन रखना पड़ता है,
Wow, wow,
क्योंकि रानी आप तभी हो जब राजा आपके साथ खड़ा है. सो
wow.
these small things, अगर मैं ये सोचूं that I undershadow him, or I'll try to drag him back in his career, these are not the logics. अगर मैं
Okay, okay,
I stand with my own,
okay,
then I have to
okay.
pull him on the same level. So
बाप रे.
you will be surprised to know this. हमारे लाइफ का सीक्रेट बताऊं मैं आपके साथ. In the year of
Okay,
2018,
okay,
when I planned that normally females die 30-35
okay.
तक, तो महिलाओं को लगता है कि बहुत हो गया यार, शादी कर ली, बच्चे आ गए. And to be
जी.
very true, it's a mid-age crisis, which is very
Okay,
difficult for any female, anybody. When I
okay,
plan, when I draw an idea that I really want to participate in beauty contest and I really want to stand for women empowerment, I really want to talk about it, then
जी.
we made a strategy. What a
Okay,
lovely strategy that in a same year, in a year of 2018, in a gap of
okay,
3 months, I
okay,
targeted Business India, and my
okay.
husband planned his Guinness Book of World Record.
Wow,
You know,
fantastic. Okay,
so the strategy was to maintain our own status. So the
okay,
first 3 months while I was there as a Mrs. India, he was
okay.
supporting. And with the
Oh,
crown, then I supported. And in the same year, we both
okay.
broke our own records. And he is
Wow.
Guinness Book of World Record holder.
So that's the beauty when the king and queen together support each other, yeah? The kingdom is
And
yours for sure. Yeah?
then the kingdom is yours. Then only.
Absolutely. Wow, I can see that
Only
happiness on your face. And you know what? You know what? I understand because it was absolutely written in one of the articles that released recently, which is, I think, in a span of 1 week. You learn even from negativity. आप negativity से भी सीखा है और आप positivity से भी सीखा है, क्योंकि one of your students' mother, rejected a glass of water,
yes,
and that
absolutely.
that negativity you made it into strength. So can you please
Absolutely.
share that experience with me, with
That
our
is not an
audience?
experience. I would say it's a turning point of my life. Like
Okay,
when I selected a man with no money, it was
okay,
very obvious because he was outsider. Like
okay,
he was
okay,
from different city, he was elder to me, and
okay.
we both were not from well-to-do families.
Ji,
So the
ji.
moment we married at the age of 18, it was very important, very, very important to run the show.
Okay,
Because I was from the local city, I took
okay.
the responsibility to go
Mm,
to door, and
mm.
I gave him the responsibility to settle down at the one place because he had no idea about the roads, the
Okay,
people
okay.
personality. So
Ji,
this was a combination that I'll be
okay.
going out and you will be teaching in the local office.
Got it.
Look at the system. Because we both were educationalists, he was teaching in the institute pattern and I was going home to home.
Okay,
Now to earn money to run the family. We had
okay,
in-laws with us. I planned to take tuitions, home to home teaching.
okay,
So I used
okay.
to go. I exactly used to leave my house at around 8:30 in the morning, and I
Ji.
used to return by 8 o'clock in the night. And my
Oh,
mother-in-law used to give me a nice tiffin.
okay,
The tiffin contains khana, chash, whatever she could afford. And she
okay,
used to give me water bottle every time.
okay,
Once what happened to me that I really forgot the water bottle,
okay,
and my client was at the mid, and
okay,
I was very thirsty because it was a summer kind of season. So I
okay,
went to, I entered in her home. I started teaching, and suddenly I saw her passing. So I requested her that, do you mind to give me a glass of water?
Ji.
She suddenly looked at me and gave me a smile rather than a glass of water. She said, Pooja,
Okay,
I would definitely give you a glass of water. But let me
okay.
tell you something. This is your routine of life. You have to
Mm-hmm.
come to teach daily.
Baap
You
re.
know that this is your profession and you have to come here daily. I also have to be here daily. If I give you water today, you
Mm-hmm.
will ask every day. And
Sure.
you must know that if you are coming to teach my son, you have
Mm-hmm.
to bring your own bottle.
My God. Okay.
She
That's
did
very bad.
not give me water. She
Okay.
did not offer me the water that day.
Okay.
I felt I felt as if something has shaken in that on that day.
बिल्कुल, yeah.
I felt that गुरु का जो दर्जा है,
जी.
like गुरु ब्रह्मा, गुरु विष्णु, ये जो हम बात करते हैं, I am at
Exactly.
your place to educate your child, and I am
Yes.
somewhere guru to him in front of his own son.
जी.
The treatment which she gave me, I couldn't speak. To be very true, I
वो.
had no courage to speak. मेरे पास कोई
My
courage
God.
नहीं. I couldn't
बिल्कुल यार.
oppose, I couldn't react, I couldn't speak, and I came home.
Okay.
When I came home, I shared this story to my family member that I think she was right. This is my
Okay.
mistake that I have to carry a water bottle. I cannot ask for these kind of favors.
Okay.
But that day churned my mind, it shaken me in a moment that I
Okay.
decided that it is high time, Pooja, to think from this point. There is
जी.
no more home to home services available. People don't respect when you
Okay.
approach them. People
True.
only respect when they approach you.
जी.
So
बिल्कुल. बिल्कुल.
the difference, ये जो difference है ना, कि जब आप when you approach somebody, आप जब
Okay.
मैं आपके सामने आऊँ तो आपको लगता है ये तो सब फ्री है, you don't respect the
बिल्कुल.
things.
Very
तो
true. Very true.
वहां से जो डिसाइड ये हुआ कि आई हैव
Okay.
टू लुक अप टू द अनदर ऑप्शन ऑफ लाइफ.
Wow, wow, fantastic. And that experience has made you so strong, Pooja ji, that you are now teaching people to be I mean, independent. Be independent. Even if you're a
इंडिपेंडेंट.
lady, yeah, be independent. It's okay. And ma'am, but ऐसा जब एक औरत independent हो जाती है, don't you think there is lot of pressure from society? उसको देखने का रीत अलग होता है. And how do you face such challenges?
Oh my God, this is called not challenge. It is
Okay,
like a scanner. जो
okay. हाँ.
सोसाइटी में सबके हाथ में एक स्कैनर होता है.
जी.
और
जी.
आपका सेंटेंस थोड़ा मैं करेक्ट करना चाहूंगी. नो, वैसे तो आपने सही बोला है.
जी. जी.
स्कैनर सिर्फ मेल्स के हाथ में नहीं होता,
अच्छा.
दूसरी महिलाएं भी आपको स्कैन करती है.
बाप रे.
सी,
बिल्कुल.
a dilemma of a woman's life is not that easy. मैं कभी
Okay.
भी ये सेंटेंस नहीं बोलूंगी कि मुझे परेशानी या मुझे स्कैन या जस्टिफाई सिर्फ मेल्स ने किया है.
जी.
Rather, I would turn and twist my sentence. Maximum justification of a woman is done by another woman.
Oh my God, that's absolutely right. Yeah, that's really right.
तो अगर घर की है तो सास, मम्मी, बहन, भाभी, ननन, जेठानी, देरानी, फ्रेंड. और अगर बाहर जाएगी तो शी हैज टू सराउंडेड बाय ऑल अदर को-वर्कर.
जी. जी.
महिलाओं में तो आप कुछ भी करके इसको
Okay.
यू कैन डाइल्यूट दिस.
True.
तो
True.
बहुत डिफिकल्ट है. मैं आपको बताऊं, लाइक मुझे अपनी सिटी में एक नाम से बुलाया जाता है, ट्रेंड सेटर.
Okay.
जब मैंने सबसे पहले बिजनेस शुरू किया, आई सेट द ट्रेंड ऑफ ब्रिंगिंग इंग्लिश इन द टाउन. और
Okay.
सिटी फार फार फेचिंग फ्रॉम टॉकिंग अबाउट इंग्लिश. ओ, इंग्लिश की
Okay.
क्या जरूरत है, बिजनेस सिटी है, इंग्लिश की क्या जरूरत है. देन
जी.
वी एंटर्ड इनटू पर्सनैलिटी डेवलपमेंट व्हिच वाज वेरी न्यू टू द टाउन. Then
Okay.
when I thought of going to abroad for study, oh
Okay.
my God, Jojo, let me tell you that day.
Ah.
Because my husband was on a level, like he was teaching on a very different zonal, तो मुझे
Okay.
थोड़ा सा ऐसा लगा that
Okay.
उसका नॉलेज और मेरा नॉलेज थोड़ा सा वेरिएबल हो रहा है.
अच्छा.
I felt somewhere that I am, because of my pregnancy break, because of my child care, थोड़ा
जी.
मुझे ऐसा लगा that I have stepped back in my information and knowledge.
Okay.
So when
The
my
update.
daughter was, yeah, मेरा अपडेशन ऐसा मुझे internally feel हुआ.
Okay.
तो I thought of educating myself,
Okay.
and
Okay.
I asked my family that I
जी.
feel it is high time to once again go for some input.
Okay.
And
Okay.
I had a family meeting. that
Okay.
I want to go to London to upgrade my professional
Knowledge.
skills.
Ji.
Oh my God, it was like a blast. Why do you want to go? You have
Okay.
got such a lovely husband, you have a settled business, you have a daughter. This
Ji.
is not the right idea, Pooja. You are shaking your boat in the middle of the sea,
Ah,
and there was none who
okay.
supported.
बाप
None.
रे. It gets
लोगों
very
को
tough.
ये लग रहा था, या एवरीबडी हैड दैट पैटर्न ऑफ लाइफ कि एक बार
जी.
आपकी शादी हो जाए,
जी.
आपकी एक बेटी बेटा हो जाए, देन अ वुमन इज डन, देन
Okay.
शी कैन नॉट ऑप्ट फॉर एनीथिंग.
Okay. Okay.
बट व्हाट अबाउट जोजो, ऑल दोज इंटेलेक्चुअल नीड, एक महिला
Exactly.
की इंटेलेक्चुअल नीड होती है.
नहीं, आप बिल्कुल सही कहा. Nowadays what people forget is that I think the women equally like men also need the intellectual. They also have the intellectual hunger. Even they want to excel. उनको भी डॉक्टर बनना है, उनको भी साइंटिस्ट बनना है. It's not that वो सिर्फ गर्रानी बन के रहे. And it's so fantastic. और पूजा जी, I am telling you, the way you talk ना, मुझे ये कहना लगता है कि वोट फॉर पूजा जी. सिर्फ पूजा जी को वोट करे. That is how serious.
कौन सी
Women
पार्टी
party.
ज्वाइन?
Women party. It's so fantastic, so good to talk to you. अभी मैं क्या करने वाला हूँ, before we go to the next segment, which is the correct chai. Okay, correct chai is a serious segment. आपको मैं एक चीज सिखाना चाहता हूँ. Okay, and that is how to drink tea.
Okay.
How to drink tea. I'm sure you would have seen it, but वो सिर्फ एक ही बार करना पड़ेगा आपको. So first you
Okay.
need to hold this and smell your tea. You need to smell your tea. Flavor अच्छा है? Flavor अच्छा है ना?
Nice.
अभी how I drink you're supposed to follow. ठीक है? First you can
Okay.
watch. And this sound should come. Only then the tea is drunk.
Okay. With this voice.
With this
With this
voice.
voice.
With
All
this
right,
voice.
I can try. Okay, let's try then.
Okay. अरे वाह. You did
अरे
that better than
बिल्कुल,
me.
क्या चाय है, ये भी
क्या
बोल दी
चाय है,
साथ.
वाह, क्या बात है. And with this, I would like to thank my co-founder, that is Chintan Vashi, who's also a very good friend and good brother. Thank you,
Yes.
Chintan ji, for supporting this entire show. और Pooja ma'am, कैसा like what do you think? I mean, don't you think more such things should happen, such shows should happen, so that it's a learning process?
Let me tell you something.
जी,
Anything leading to human empowerment, anything is
जी.
a gift to humanity.
Wow,
Like,
wow.
you don't know that you are helping so many lives.
True, true, true.
ये जो आप लाइव करते हैं, किसी को कोई बात
जी,
टच हो जाती है, किसी को कोई
जी,
आंसर मिल जाता है.
बिल्कुल.
Like, we are wasting our time in gossiping, criticizing,
Correct.
backbitching, just
जी,
internet. The generation is after, the different zonal of
बिल्कुल,
life,
बिल्कुल.
whereby you are bringing this kind of idea. So
जी.
I think, yes, यही होना चाहिए.
Ma'am,
And
so
Jojo, I think आपके लिए मैंने बहुत सुना है. See, Chintan is my brother, and
okay,
he
okay,
has mentioned a lot about you कि पूजा जी
okay.
आपको करना ही है. So we share. See, this is
करना
what
ही
is.
है.
हाँ, करना ही है पूजा जी. And
Okay.
आपके द्वारा ये जो आप कर रहे हो, see, you are also a life coach. मैंने आपका प्रोफाइल पढ़ा. It needs a courage, a gut
Correct,
to
correct.
introduce another life coach on your show.
बिल्कुल मैम,
तो
बिल्कुल.
ये आपने एक पॉइंट बियॉन्ड का काम कर रहे हो. नॉर्मल लोग कंपटीशन, जेलसी, इसी से
जी,
बाहर.
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल. मैम, द होल रीजन मैं ये शुरू क्यों किया कि मुझे लगा कि सी एट द एंड ऑफ द डे आजकल लोग क्या करते हैं, अपने पास ही अपने कॉन्टैक्ट्स रख के, आई डोंट नो व्हाट दे डू आउट ऑफ इट, बट एट द सेम टाइम नाउ टुमारो पूजा जी कैन बी कनेक्टेड टू साउथ इंडिया, शी कैन बी कनेक्टेड अक्रॉस मिडल ईस्ट विद माय कॉन्टैक्ट्स, एंड टुमारो इट कुड बी ऑफ हेल्प टू द सोसाइटी in whichever format. Yeah, so that is the whole thing. And ma'am, so before we go to the next question, I want you to say a sentence to all our viewers who are going to watch, who are watching. Yellarigu namaskara.
Hold on.
It's Kannada.
Yellarigo namaskara.
Arey wow, I think you practiced and came from last audio.
Not at all. Never in my life.
Okay, now in Malayalam. Okay,
Uh-huh.
so in Malayalam we say Ellavarkum Namaskaram.
Yellavarkum namaskaram.
Areva, beautiful. And we'll try Tamil, okay? Even I'm not so good at Tamil, but we'll try for our
Okay.
Tamil audiences as well.
Okay.
எல்லா தமிழ் மக்களுக்கும் வணக்கம்.
That is difficult.
Okay, we'll break it. No, we'll break it.
We'll break it.
எல்லா தமிழ் மக்களுக்கும்
Yella Tamil Makamkum
மக்களுக்கும் என்னுடைய வணக்கம். என்னுடைய வணக்கம்.
Yennode. You broke my chance to be the Malayalam heroine. You disappointed me. I was thinking.
I told you ना, जो भगवान दिया है आपका कैमरा इधर, वो देख के कोई भी बुला देंगे आपको. किसी भी you will even be there in Hollywood. I wish.
You will,
I really
no,
wish.
you know, Jojo, I want to share you one secret. You will be very
Okay,
happy.
ma'am, sorry to interrupt. There is a Telugu viewer. His name is Rakesh. He's also a very best buddy of mine. But I want him to type. He's asking in Telugu. So Rakesh, the viewer, bro, if you can just type in Telugu how to tell, I will make Pooja ma'am tell that. So please
Oh
type
my
it along. Please don't type anything wrong. Please type how to wish the audience.
हाँ, मैं आपको बता दूं तब तक सीक्रेट आप लिखो राकेश जी प्लीज
जी,
राइट समथिंग
जी.
I feel
Okay.
the best handsome heroes are
Okay.
in that industry.
अच्छा.
या आपकी इंडस्ट्री में जब मैं छोटी थी you
आपके
know
पतिदेव का नंबर जरा फॉरवर्ड कीजिए. मैं
अरे जब मैं छोटी थी you know that he was Shiva Nagarjuna. You know?
Chintan ji says hi to you. Chintan
Oh
ji
my
says
God. How are
yeah,
you?
Rakesh is yet to type.
Nagarjuna was
Boliye.
my favorite hero. And do you
Okay.
know the latest hero of this movie? Bahubali.
Okay.
Oh my God. I have seen Bahubali just because of the actor more
I
than
know.
20 times.
Wow. You are a fan of South Indian actors. All
I
the
have-
South Indian actors who are going to watch this, please call her to South Indian,
I
industry.
must tell you, the real tall, dark, handsome hero.
What's that? TDH.
So
that was
I don't
actually
know.
olden days, the formula TDH, tall, dark, and handsome.
But I don't know. I mean, Nagarjun sir ko dekh lijiye. Then there was all of them like
Okay.
heroes. Bollywood तो है ही सर अपनी जगह, but they all are handsome, smart. But I must appreciate this industry also.
I think it's the lovely beard and the mush that we shape and keep.
And I must tell you, you are also a very handsome hunk.
अरे नहीं पूजा जी मत करो ऐसा. Pooja ji, so Rakesh ji has typed in Telugu. So how we have to tell this is Andiriki Namaskaramu. Andiriki.
Hold on, Rakesh ji. Andriki Namaskaro.
Are lovely Pooja ji. I so because Pooja ma'am said this, Rakesh, you're supposed to share this video and invite everybody possible. Everybody
See, I
possible.
whoever are watching, please like the work which is done by Jojo ji. He is
Thank
doing this for the society. He is doing this for the empowerment. Whoever can share this show, whoever can bring good people on board would be really great help. And Jojo, I really want you to come to Gujarat, explore.
Definitely.
You must like एक
Sure,
बार आपको आना चाहिए. And
बिल्कुल.
through your platform, I would like to extend my help to people. We have got community where we talk about human troubles, and my Instagram, my Facebook, everywhere we have so many free videos about
Okay.
human empowerment. So if you allow, I will write my page name here in chat box.
Bilkul,
So
ma'am,
people
please do that. Please do that. So, dear audience, Pooja ma'am is going to type down a link, and she does a lot of training programs. She has her own pages, and even her husband and her together have started a new education platform where a lot of videos are going to be posted. Ma'am, Zara, you can tell a little about that as well. Meanwhile,
Absolutely.
Abhishek Hari Haridasan is saying, keep up the great work. Cheers. So we have good very good people watching us. And ma'am, thank you so much for being a sport today. Because when I
You
was
are
chatting with you initially, na, you felt like a very boring didi who's trying to say ah okay, ah okay. That's why I asked you yesterday, like, aren't you naughty at all?
actually, I'm a reverse of what you said. I am the
Acha,
most lively, and
okay,
to be very true, life is to live.
okay.
Let others live, and let's live our life.
And
Because जब
especially for you, especially आपके लिए, मैं कल जाके I did all my hairstyle मस्त करके आया, ताकि at least that way she'll become naughty.
you are you are such a character. See, you bring things out. This is
जी,
an you don't know Jojo. This is
yeah,
a very unique art.
thank you, ma'am.
Making others feel comfortable,
जी,
उनकी wavelength को match करना,
yeah, it's
उनकी
tough, yeah.
wavelength में journey करना. This is not that easy. You
बिल्कुल,
are
मैम.
doing something very unique.
Thank you, ma'am. मैम, ये बोलते हुए, I want to ask you something. I want to ask you something. Okay, do you also have a dimple?
नहीं इतना अच्छा नहीं है डिम्पल तो
अच्छा,
मिडल सा
उर्वशी
है।
उर्वशी उर्वशी मैम हैड, तो इसीलिए मैं भी कनेक्ट हुआ था. बहुत अच्छा देखा मेरा डिम्पल.
आपका तो बहुत अच्छा है सर डिम्पल तो मुझे लगता है मैं करवा लूं
I just wanted you to करवा लो. Okay, ma'am. Now let us talk to the aspiring models and influencers. आजकल बहुत influencers आ रहे हैं on social platforms and models. Okay, and unfortunately, I feel a lot of motivation is lacking for the models industry also, and all the aspiring models. क्योंकि the minute they want to become a model, what happens
हम्म
is they are not supported that much. कि उनके बारे में बहुत नेगेटिविटी बोले जाते हैं, and I don't believe that. You're hearing me, ma'am?
yeah I am hearing you I am finding the notes for you please continue
Yeah, okay. So I want you to, inspire our models, upcoming models and influencers. Ki, what are the practices that they must do? What are the, what is the determination that they must have? Ki, how can they become a good influencer and a good model?
see very nice question I think this is the best question of the day
जी
you
मैम.
know what अगर आपको इन्फ्लुएंसिंग फील्ड में जाना है देन बी सिलेक्टिव रूल
जी.
नंबर वन influencer has to follow the pattern of being loyal to your own viewers.
Wow. Wow.
Don't be the influencer for freebies. Don't
Okay.
be the influencer for the barters, the free
Wow.
gifts. You have to select right brands, try on you. See, whatever you are selling to your crowd, make sure that you have tried on you. जैसे क्या
बिल्कुल.
गलती करते हैं जो व्हाट एग्जैक्टली मिस्टेक द यंगस्टर्स आर डूइंग कल घर पे
जी.
पैकेट आया आज वीडियो बनाया डाल दिया
जी. Wow.
नॉट एग्जैक्टली द वे ऑफ इन्फ्लुएंसिंग इन्फ्लुएंसिंग इज लाइक प्लेइंग विद अदर्स लाइफ अगर मैं
बिल्कुल.
ऐसा बोल दूं दैट आई हैव गॉट दिस क्लिप राइट फ्रॉम
जी.
दिस शॉप तो
Okay.
इसका मतलब है ये इंफॉर्मेशन मेरी सही होनी चाहिए
जी.
ट्राइड टेस्टेड होनी चाहिए
Wow.
तो दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट सो
It is
इन्फ्लुएंसिंग के लिए
almost as good as saying practice what you preach. So,
एब्सोल्युटली प्रैक्टिस व्हाट यू प्रीच
जी,
सी
जी,
एक बार आप किसी ब्रांड को अगर गलत प्रेजेंट कर देते हैं
जी,
देन यू आर आउट ऑफ दिस जोन यू आर आउट ऑफ दिस गेम सो
बिल्कुल.
इन्फ्लुएंसिंग के लिए मैं ये कहना चाहती हूँ पिक योर फील्ड you want to
Okay.
talk about food you want to
जी.
talk about education you are a mom blogger mom influencer you are a
Wow.
beauty influencer exactly area आपका सिलेक्ट करके रखिए तो
जी.
बहुत मजा आएगा सो इन्फ्लुएंसर्स को मेरा सिर्फ इतना कहना है क्वालिटी वर्क करो
Wow.
डोंट रश आफ्टर एवरीबडी जो आया कर दिया जो आया कर दिया सी
जी.
क्वालिटी स्पीक्स लाउडर देन क्वांटिटी
Absolutely. बहुत मस्त बोला
राइट
आपने. Wow.
या और मॉडल के लिए बता दूं सी मॉडलिंग इज अ वेरी वाइड वर्ड नाउ इन दिस टर्म अब
जी.
हर फील्ड में आपके पास दो रास्ते आते हैं शॉर्टकट और
Okay.
लॉन्ग कट वी हैव टू मेक श्योर दैट व्हाट आर यू लुकिंग फॉर द
Okay.
मोमेंट यू आर क्लियर इन योर ओन ब्रेन यू विल पिक द राइट पाथ
Wow. Wow.
बिकॉज मॉडलिंग करियर को बहुत ही अलग लेवल से इवेल्युएट किया जाता है so we
Okay.
have to make sure that you interpret yourself so well that you
Wow.
can make others also interpret the same
Bilkul, Bilkul. And there's a fantastic statement by Abhishek Harry Haridasan. So he was in Qatar. He was my senior, ma'am. So he has
Uh-huh.
typed, confidence and consistency needs regular practice. Sometimes,
Absolutely.
and sometimes all it takes is a few kind words. बहुत अच्छा लिखा है.
Absolutely. She's he or she, he है
He
कि she.
Abhishek Harry.
Yeah, Abhishek absolutely corrects the statement. See, I would say sometimes the success can be slow, but
बिल्कुल,
constructive success होती है. Constructive.
बिल्कुल. जी,
And that's
जी.
where you. अच्छा मैं chat box में सर कुछ links डाल रही हूँ, so
Okay,
people can see.
please, ma'am.
Um, just a second, I will just paste all of them. So
Okay. Yeah, so I think ma'am has just gone out by, I'm sure there's a misclick on the button, but please comment, all my viewers, please share, please call, all our viewers in. This is not just a fun show. It is also informative. We want the aspiring models. We want them to match the wavelength. We want them to understand what the particular person is speaking, because they would have experienced everything and they stand at a point where people recognize them. So Pooja ma'am is going to get back as soon as possible with us. So she is also a person who had this wonderful opportunity meeting our Prime Minister Shri Modi ji. So we're going to ask her about that as well. So stay tuned. I'm going to be right here. So meanwhile, also understand there is a fantastic talent hunt competition that's going on, which is online. It is www.jmorphinc.org. So that is the link where you must go and register. The solo competition and the group can be taking part. Okay, and it's a fantastic platform yet again. And please subscribe our YouTube channel, which is UTM Hunt. It's called the UTM Hunt. You will find the recorded shows of our shows. You're also going to find participants and their talents being showcased on that channel as well. We're going to have a lot of debates. We're going to have discussions. It is, as I told you, Chillax with Joestar are the light moments, are the learning experiences that we want to show our audiences. So I'm just waiting for Pooja ma'am. She is supposed to be joining our studio immediately. I'm sure she's gone to paste those links and a misclick has happened on a button. So we are waiting. So we've been talking to Pooja ma'am, Pooja Vyas from Gujarat, who is a fantastic entrepreneur, who has a beautiful supporting husband, and she's also a trainer, a personality groomer, and all that we have to do now is listen to her further, comments, her further teaching, further experiences. So meanwhile, thank you, Abhishek. Thank you, Naushad Ulal. Thank you, all our viewers who've been watching. We also have Chintanji, my co-founder, and we also have Pooja ma'am, who's just come back. And I'm going to add her to the stream right now. Pooja ma'am, किधर गए आप?
अरे एक्चुअली नेट डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया फॉर 2 मिनट्स.
अच्छा,
वो
अच्छा.
पीछे से कॉल आ गया, सो आई ट्राइड टू डिस्कनेक्ट द कॉल. या,
Okay, okay.
so
So
I'll leave a comment. उसमें मैं कमेंट में लिखती हूँ पूरा लिंक. See, there are
ठीक,
3 kind of things we deal with. मैं
okay.
चैट में पहले हाय लिखती हूँ. वुड यू बी काइंड टू रिस्पॉन्स एक बार आप देंगे तो मुझे पता चले.
Yeah, but I think there is an issue with comment box for Madam. Oh yes, yes. That goes into the private chat. So ma'am will have to come back again. So it goes into the private chat. So I'm sure we need to work on this. Uh, yeah, Pooja ma'am, I think when you're trying to comment is when it's getting cut. The connection is
या
getting
आई
cut.
थिंक सो. या कमेंट
So
के बाद.
what we'll do is we will anyways be posting all your links once we
ओके.
upload it on our YouTube channel as well. Okay, we're gonna make sure, and if you want, can you just tell at least the website, ma'am, so that people
या.
can go and know you better?
See, what you can do, there are 2 kind of things you have to do. One is all named with Piyush Puja. We are coming up with piyushpuja.com,
Okay.
where we have made 3 languages video: English, Gujarati, and Hindi.
Wow.
These are self-growth videos which deal with the mind, and one of best relationship management, best of
Oh, wow.
them.
Wow.
Public speaking, then motivation, a very wonderful, easy tips and techniques where you can use it wherever you are free. So
Wow.
that is first name. Whatever you want to find, मैं वापिस एक बार chat में लिखने की कोशिश करती हूँ.
But
This
that's
is
going
the
into private. आपका हाई जो जाता है private chat में जाता है. तो
ओके,
इसीलिए
सो मैं कमेंट्स में जाती हूँ.
पब्लिक, हाँ पता
या,
नहीं. We'll check that out. We'll check that out.
नो
Meanwhile, ma'am,
प्रॉब्लम.
I want the audience to know that you have been one of the luckiest women as well out of
फॉर व्हाट?
everybody who got an opportunity to meet our captain of the ship today. That is
या.
Narendra Modi ji. So tell
ओ
me the
माय गॉड.
experience, please.
Oh my
Please.
God, that is something which is a moment for life, you can say. See,
Wow.
I must tell you, like these people tell him Narendra Modi ji. Let me tell you, we went to see him because of the world record. Oh my God, the first thing which I would like to mention, Jojo, is his communication skills.
Wow.
The way he greeted us, me
Acha.
and my
Okay.
husband, is not a way of a PM. Like he was
Okay.
such simple, such soft spoken to us. So I
Wow.
think mind blowing. His
Okay.
energy level. I
Uh-huh.
saw him running on his, एक कैबिन से पार्लियामेंट में यहाँ से वहां से यहाँ, इतना
Sure.
ईज के साथ, इतना
Wow.
ईज, यू वोंट बिलीव. देयर वर क्यू ऑफ पीपल, आई मीन इतना
Okay.
लंबी लाइन थी, बट ही
Okay.
वाज वेरी इजी कम्युनिकेटिंग. ही गेव अस अ क्वालिटी मिनट्स,
Wow.
लाइक इतना प्यार से बिठा के बात की. आई थिंक आई फेल
Okay.
इन लव मोर देन आई थॉट. मैंने जो सोचा
Oh,
था कि पीएम तो कैसा होता है, डराओ ऋषि, but he was gem of a person. I think
excellent.
this is my lifetime achievement.
That's fantastic. That's fantastic.
और you won't believe, जब मैंने उनको लॉर्ड शिवा गिफ्ट किए, like
Ji,
स्पेशली मैं
I saw
उनके
that.
लिए, या आई एम अ बिग फैन
Yeah.
ऑफ शिवा. सो मैं
Okay.
शिवा जी की गोल्ड प्लेटेड उनके लिए लेके गई थी.
Ji.
तो व्हेन आई वाज रिप्रेजेंटिंग दैट, तो उन्होंने
Okay.
इतने प्यार से मुझे पूछा कि शिवा क्यों लेके आई. तो मैंने जवाब तब उनको ये दिया कि यू आर अ कंस्ट्रक्टर ऑफ अवर इंडिया एंड
अरे
शिवा
वाह.
इज अ कंस्ट्रक्टर ऑफ अ वर्ल्ड. वो पूरी
Wow.
दुनिया
Wow.
को उन्होंने बनाया है.
जी.
सो
जी.
फैंटास्टिक. एंड उनका जो
Beautiful.
इंडिया को लेके, लाइक बिलीव मी, एक बार जिंदगी में मिलना चाहिए उनको.
तो आप तो है, आप ही लेके जाएंगे मुझे. so
His
so
aura is different. Jojo,
other
his aura is different.
man, what I want to ask is, आप your personality, who's met Modi ji, who's met a lot of such people, आप कभी जिंदगी में सोचा था कि you will come and sit with Jojo the handsome boy and have a good interview?
Oh my God, I'm so lucky. I'm overwhelmed that I got a chance to meet a man of a Jojo today. Oh my God.
Nonsense, you're pulling my legs now.
And this is my
You're being-
second biggest opportunity of life, that I met such a guy over the screen and I'm talking to him. I'm overwhelmed. I'm flat for a day.
it's also said that you're a personality groomer apart from being the trainer that you are, and you're also a model. With all these, due respect to that, ma'am, daily life का एक routine होता है. Like for example, your eating habits, क्योंकि आजकल एक बहुत गलत सा फहमी हुआ है कि जीरो फिगर ही रहना है, and you don't have to eat, वो गैस्ट्रिक बढ़ेगा, फिर बाद में it becomes a problem for the house only. पूरा घर
No,
गैस्ट्रिक की वजह से गंदा स्मेल हो जाता है. So why do our generation want to become like that? Because
no.
I heard you saying in one of your videos, it is not that. It is beauty is not being zero figure. You said it in one of your videos.
Absolutely.
I want you to
Absolutely.
please express on that, ma'am.
Yes. See, I think specially जो जोजो ने ये बात निकाली है, this is more in a female fertility. Zero figure नाम की कोई term नहीं है. See,
Okay.
obesity is a different zonal of a female life. Because female है या male है, obesed होना is a disease. But zero figure is anorexia को जो आप एक disease, एक पूरा एक अलग zone है. We
Okay.
have to opt for a healthy life.
Okay.
हेल्दी लाइफ का मतलब है आपका जो वजन है उसके साथ आप कंफर्टेबल हो, आपकी बॉडी उतने वजन को ले पा रही है, आपकी डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम, आपकी इम्यूनिटी, यू आर कंफर्टेबल इन योर ओन स्किन. सो जीरो फिगर इज नॉट एट ऑल टर्म. टू बी वेरी ट्रू, हेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल शुड बी द लेटेस्ट फैशन.
Wow.
तो
Wow.
ये तो बिल्कुल मुझे बहुत से लोग, यू वोंट बी, अभी आप हंसोगे इस बात के ऊपर, आई हैव गॉट अ
Okay.
वेरी चबी चिक्स. सी,
Yeah,
आई
yeah.
हैव गॉट अ चबी चिक्स,
But that doesn't make you look bad. It makes you look good. That's
I
what girls
don't
should
know. बट यूजुअली आई हैव अ चबी चिक्स, तो काफी बार मुझे लाइक पिक्चर्स में थोड़े चबी दिखते हैं चिक्स। बहुत
Okay.
लोग बोलते हैं पूजा जी इतने चबी चिक्स, आई सेड दिस इज व्हाट इट इज एंड दिस
Okay.
इज गोइंग टू एड लाइक वॉट एवर आई एम डूइंग। बट ये जो जीरो फिगर है इसको अगर मुझे कम करना है तो मुझे
Okay.
डाइट क्रैश करना पड़ेगा। आई हैव टू स्टॉप ईटिंग एंड आई एम नॉट रेडी फॉर इट,
Okay.
बिकॉज यू नो जो जो आप जब खाना नहीं खाते your mind doesn't support you.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
You know, have you heard a કહેવત in Gujarati?
Okay.
ભજન કરવા માટે પણ ભોજન કરવું પડે. So
ભજન
even
કરવા
to
માટે
say
પણ ભોજન કરવો પડે.
ભોજન કરવું પડે, ભોજन,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay.
So
Oh,
even though you want to Lord को अगर आपको प्रे करना है तो भी भरे पेट करना पड़ेगा, तो आप फोकस कर पाओगे।
बिल्कुल मैम. That's so
तो
nice.
बिल्कुल नहीं, बिल्कुल
So,
बिल्कुल जीरो फिगर नाम का कोई टर्म नहीं है। हेल्दी
okay.
लाइफ इज अ टर्म,
Ma'am, so what you're
राइट?
saying is, these girls, especially all the ladies and the girls who are listening, who are going to watch us later also. So please don't be worried about your double chin. Don't be worried about you being chubby. Don't be worried about how your hair should be. I mean, see, ma'am, I come from a time jidhar, long hair is wonderful. वो एक औरत की निशान होता है, and it's so nice, and a good chubby cheeks, dimple chin, rosy lips, teeth within, curly hair, very fair, it goes on. So I I come from such a generation where girls should be that aura, they should carry that aura. तो यही बात को आगे जाते हुए, like what I would like to ask is, आप घर में जब है, do you pull the legs of your husband and your children? Are you naughty with them?
No, no, actually, मैं तो to be very true, see, I have a very serious husband. Let me tell you, serious का
अच्छा.
मतलब है somebody who is very, very, very up to the like
Focused.
एक ऐसा very stable mentality, very serious personality. तो
अच्छा.
because he has a that mannerism में बहुत आगे है, तो
अच्छा.
मैं जब घर पे रहती हूँ तो आई एम लाइक, वो कहानी सुनी है आपने वो विश्वामित्र और मेनका की? सो
नहीं नहीं नहीं
नहीं
नहीं,
सुनिए
enlighten.
ना, तो ही इज अ विश्वामित्र जो हमेशा बैठ के एकदम सीरियस नोट पे होता है और मेरा काम है घूमते रहना यहाँ वहां, ये करो
Okay.
वो करो। सो आई एम ऑलवेज ऑन हिज हेड, चलो ये कर दे। यू नो व्हाट, यू विल बी सरप्राइज टू सी, अगर मैं आधा घंटा बात करूं उसके साथ,
जी.
ही विल हार्डली स्पीक 4 सेंटेंस। अच्छा,
बाप रे.
अच्छा, ओके, શું વાત કરે, वेरी
वो
स्मॉल,
four words or four sentences you said?
फोर
Four sentences.
सेंटेंस।
अच्छा, उसमें
हाँ
एक सेंटेंस
मतलब
तो आई लव यू होगा ही.
ना, अच्छा देख ले, बिल्कुल नहीं, अच्छा देख ले, विल सी,
Okay. But I'm
हो
sure he's a
जाएगा।
very supportive husband, ma'am. Come on.
ही इज
I'm
एब्सोल्युटली, सी, मैं वापिस कहती हूँ, अगर आपको खुद की जिंदगी में महंगी चीजें रखने का शौक है तो उनको संभालने का आर्ट भी होना चाहिए।
wow. Wow.
सो जब आप कुछ भी ऐसा लाइफ में अफोर्ड करते हो जो
Okay.
जो रेप्यूटेड है, बड़ा है, अच्छा है, देन यू हैव टू मेंटेन दैट स्टेटस। हम सबको अच्छा चाहिए बट हम
जी,
उसकी कीमत नहीं चुकाना चाहते। जो
सही बात है.
सी,
You,
हमें सामने वाले से लॉयल्टी चाहिए, प्यार चाहिए, रिस्पेक्ट चाहिए, सब चाहिए,
हम
बट
भी
डू
देना.
वी,
Yeah,
हाँ हम देते हैं क्या? इट्स अ बाई बैक ऑफर, लाइफ इज ऑल बाई बैक ऑफर।
बिल्कुल,
You
बिल्कुल,
know,
बिल्कुल,
मैं आपको दूं आप मुझे दो, दिस इज अ वेरी सिंपल लॉजिक ऑफ लाइफ, बट हमें पता नहीं सिर्फ चाहिए ही चाहिए। सो दैट
बिल्कुल.
समथिंग आई रियली वांट यू टू करेक्ट हियर।
And what about your children? How do you spend time with them? I mean, can you? I don't know if you would like. Yeah.
I have a daughter, she is a PUBG, oh my god,
Hey.
PUBG, PUBG की player है, you know, she is one of the girl who
हाँ, हाँ.
plays PUBG with the 90 males in a room.
अच्छा.
So a
So,
fantastic brain daughter.
but now PUBG is banned. Yeah. So I'm sure she has more time with mama.
Nah, nah, I think she has switched over to another game.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. Okay. So are you a strict mother, or do you also
Not
teach her?
at all. Oh
Okay,
my God, not
okay,
at. Let me tell you here, there is no term strict to
okay.
mother. If you
Wow.
want to grow your children, you have to be their friend.
Okay,
बिल्कुल नहीं, बिकॉज ये जनरेशन बहुत ट्रबल से गुजर रहा है, पीयर प्रेशर,
जी.
एजुकेशन का प्रेशर, उनके खुद के हार्मोन्स की जर्नी, और उस पे
Okay,
अगर हम भी अपना प्रेशर बढ़ाएंगे, a child cannot grow. My
okay,
daughter is like my best friend.
Wow.
Like
Wow.
she is the best company where I feel like same gender, same baate, same pain journey.
You'll be
So
able to
very,
understand better.
yeah, very comfortable. Rather
Ma'am, any
वो मुझे क्या बोलती है, थोड़ा strict रहो ना मम्मी.
she in turn tells you. That's nice. Okay, and
Yeah.
ma'am, any funny experiences during your modeling times or your training times?
Of
Any funny?
course, I'll tell you
Yeah,
something. Like
yeah.
because my finale was in Mumbai, तो
Okay.
हमारा फिनाले मुंबई में था और
जी,
यू नो एटमोसफियर कैसा था दैट आई एम फ्रॉम गुजरात एंड स्पेशली फ्रॉम सूरत. तो
okay, okay,
जैसे मेरा फॉर्म डे वन था तो सबको लगा कि लाइक द डे वन वाज अ इंट्रोडक्टरी सेशन. तो
okay.
देयर वर 24 ब्यूटीफुल फीमेल अक्रॉस इंडिया.
जी,
तो सब एक जगह बैठे हुए थे एंड दे वर जस्ट गेटिंग अप एंड गिविंग देयर इंट्रोडक्शन. So
okay,
what happened that everybody thought that आओ सूरत आओ गुजरात ये तो गुज्जू
okay,
गुज्जू गुज्जू. My pet
okay,
name was गुज्जू. ये
okay.
लोग
Good
मुझे
job. Okay.
गुज्जू करके बुलाते थे. फ्रस्ट्रेशन का एक माहौल क्रिएट करते थे गुज्जू गुज्जू करके ताकि
जी,
मैं खुद
जी.
के लिए लो सेल्फ एस्टीम पे आऊं. So
I
what
understand.
happened is one by one they were calling every contestant on the stage for
जी, जी.
introduction कि भाई आप क्यों आए हो इस पेजेंट में. So mine was around 17 or 18 number. और
Okay,
मेरे आगे तो बहुत एक्सपर्ट्स फीमेल ब्यूटीफुल टॉल रिच फ्रॉम अ वेरी
okay.
वेल फैमिलीज आके गई थी. तो
जी,
जैसे ही लाइक व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड मैं जब खड़ी हुई तो everybody expected that this Gujarati, what exactly will she talk about? She might have
okay.
nothing to talk about. That was the
Uh-huh.
first gesture which I saw.
Okay.
And the moment I communicate, I started speaking with them. You won't believe that
Okay.
I hosted the whole event for my patient.
Wow.
एक
What an
बार,
inspiration.
yeah.
Yeah.
So
Wait,
the
no.
first gesture, गुज्जू
Yeah.
ऐसा बोलते थे. तुम गुज्जू हो. मैंने कहा हाँ हाँ मैं गुज्जू हूँ.
Okay, okay. That's what happens. एक गुजराती स्पेशलिटी होता है कि जिधर भी जाए वो खरीद के ही आता है, कॉन्कर करके ही आता है बस.
Yeah, एक बहुत
Yeah,
प्यारी कम्युनिटी है. लाइक
जी,
गुजराती
बिल्कुल.
बहुत प्यारी कम्युनिटी है क्योंकि इसमें क्या है हमारा बेस एक तो खाना पीना. फॉन्ड ऑफ
Okay.
फूड.
Oh wow, wow.
फॉन्ड ऑफ बिजनेस. सी
अरे वाह.
खून में सबकी बिजनेस है.
हाँ, मैं बात किया था.
एवरीवन.
मैंने had my episode with two Gujaratis, that is उर्वशी मैम and चिंतन जी. दोनों टाइम में
यस.
बात किया था. गुजराती के खून में बिजनेस होता ही है.
लाइक एक्चुअली बिजनेस इज लाइक और ऐसा है कि हमें सीखना नहीं पड़ता. ये हमारे खून में होता है.
अच्छा,
और
अच्छा.
गुजरात इज सच अ नाइस स्टेट. एक्चुअली इसको
Okay,
जियोग्राफिकली अगर आप देखें ना तो
okay.
एक्चुअली सब आ जाता है. लाइक
Oh,
रेगिस्तान भी आ जाता है. यू हैव
जी.
गॉट दैट अच्छा सा दरिया किनारा भी आ जाता है. सो
Okay.
एक अच्छा सा माहौल है और आप
हाँ,
यहाँ पे बहुत ऐसे लोगों का साया है गुजरात पे लाइक महात्मा गांधी, सरदार
okay,
पटेल,
okay.
नमो नरेंद्र मोदी
हाँ,
जी. राइट.
yeah.
तो कुछ है यहाँ की मिट्टी में. लाइक है कुछ ऐसी ऐसी एक फ्लेवर है. मैं ऐसा
Okay.
नहीं कहूँगी सिर्फ गुजरात में ये है बट यहाँ पे है.
Everywhere. जी. मैम, so what about your cooking? आप अच्छे कुकिंग करते हैं या? आई गॉट यू. अभी बोल दीजिए.
वेरी
ओके.
मीडियम. झूठ नहीं बोलूंगी शो पे. क्या झूठ बोलूं. नो नो नो. आई एम अ वेरी मीडियम कुक. और वो
अच्छा.
भी है ना. देखो बोलना मत ये शो पे ऐसे ही. मैं तो थोड़ा बहुत है ना वो यूट्यूब देख देख के बनाती हूँ.
No, that is also an inspiration क्योंकि आजकल I think ladies at least have to do that ना. They they have to learn looking at YouTube. What do you say?
आई लर्न. मैं है ना लाइक कभी कभी लोगों को इम्प्रेस करना हो ना फैमिली में तो यूट्यूब पे रात को पूरी रेसिपी 2-3 बार देख लूंगी. फिर
Okay.
सुबह खुद को ऐसे प्रेजेंट करती हूँ. ओ ये
जी.
डालना है. अरे ये ले आओ वो ले आओ. तो फिर एवरीबडी विल अंडरस्टैंड कि इसने कुछ रेसिपी यूट्यूब पे देखी है.
The day you make something special, they know you've seen YouTube.
माय
So, ma'am,
मॉम इज अ वेरी नॉट मी.
let's
मम्मी
have
बहुत
a sip
अच्छा.
of tea again. Let's have a sip of tea again. So,
ऑलराइट
cheers,
देन.
cheers. Thank you for being
Cheers
very
my
sweet
dear
to us.
friend. Cheers
Yeah,
to
yeah.
life.
Cheers to life. No, ma'am. Now we move to the tandoor chai segment, which is kind of rapid fire session. But again, we're going to go a little bit descriptive if it's really a nice answer. Would you like to be the trainer or the model? Choose between one.
Trainer.
Trainer. Who was your role model?
My role model. I mean, in a training industry.
Yeah, it can be from training industry and from the modeling industry.
See, I think modeling, I'm a big fan of Sushmita Sen. Like,
Wow.
I like,
Okay.
yeah, I'm a big fan of her and I will remain one forever.
Wow.
I'm a फिटनेस को लेके भी बहुत मतलब ऐसे रोल मॉडल्स है मेरे. बट इफ आई
True.
हैव टू पिक फ्रॉम माय इंडस्ट्री देन आई वुड गो फॉर जिग जिगलर. लाइक बहुत
Okay.
अच्छे ट्रेनर्स है. लाइक देयर आर सो मेनी ट्रेनर्स, दे आर वंडरफुल. दे
अच्छा,
आर
अच्छा.
बियॉन्ड इमेजिनेशन उनका काम है. सो
Wow.
अभी जो सिद्धार्थ जी कर रहे हैं, यू नो, दीज आर द ट्रेनर्स व्हिच आई वुड लव टू फॉलो.
Yeah,
इनको मैं रोज सुनती हूँ.
I yeah, I know. I wish Chintanji also was here. I could just invite him. If he's live, please come on to the studio, Chintanji. We would like to pull, ma'am's leg a little more.
चिंतन को खींच लो, चिंतन के पैरों को खींच लो.
So the
चिंतन
next
मेरा
question,
भाई.
what would you prefer more, singing or sleeping?
To be very true, both. But
Acha?
sleeping is a good option where you have nothing to do.
So which means you can't sing. So we need two lines, ma'am. Two lines.
Two lines of I don't sing that. I'm not a singer kind of thing, but
It's
yes,
okay.
we can
It's okay
definitely.
for the audience.
तो आप कोई चॉइस दे दो तो उसी पे वो कुछ
नहीं
ट्राई
मैम,
करूँ दो.
you sing your favorite song ना, जो भी आप YouTube में जब कुकिंग करते हैं. What you sing?
See, look how he is misusing my answers. Have a look, my dear friends.
गौर से देखिए.
गौर से देखिए इस शख्स को जो मेरे ही जवाब मुझी
जी.
पे मार रहे हैं.
Ma'am, sing. Nice.
Okay, because I'll sing. Do you want me to sing in my own language, Gujarati?
Yes,
Right?
please.
Okay, because people will understand, right?
Okay.
Let me sing a small line.
Okay.
चांद ने कहो कि आज आंख में नहीं. So if I interpret, this is
Mhm.
like, please tell the moon that let's not fed today. It is my
Okay.
day, with my sweetheart.
Hey, can you please
So
continue that song a little, because I feel you have it in you. You are a singer.
no, no. ऐसा कुछ सिंगर तो नहीं हूँ, but yes, you will be surprised to know one of my side.
Okay.
I Do you pray to God?
Yeah, I do. I do. I do.
So when you pray to God, I know lots of bhajans.
Bhajans, bhajans. So
Yeah,
okay.
because
Can
I
you
am a
chant one bhajan?
Gujarati. You know what? I am a Gujarati. I belong to
Brahmin.
Brahmin
Okay.
community.
So they
So I'm
definitely
a
do a lot
Pandit.
of pujas.
You know Panditayan, that those all
Ji,
those priests. So I
bilkul, bilkul.
belong to a priest family.
Oh,
So
okay.
the childhood was like singing bhajan all the time.
Wow. So one bhajan, ek bhajan, to we will do. No problem.
एक भजन तो बहुत लंबा होता है.
अच्छा. Oh shit. I didn't know that. Okay. एक छोटा सा.
Okay,
Okay.
because this is a very, let me tell you all the viewers, we are into
Okay.
a best month of Gujarati calendar. This is the Mass. You might be aware, Adhik Mass.
Okay.
This is a very pure month of Lord Purushottama.
Okay.
पुरुषोत्तम भगवान जिसको कहते हैं, बहुत
Ji.
अच्छा महीना चल रहा है. टुडे इज द सेकंड डे ऑफ दैट मंथ. सो
Okay.
उनके लिए मैं अच्छा सा गा सकती हूँ एक
See,
भगवान.
at the correct time, even my mother and father, they've come online. They're also watching you.
ओ
So, bhajan
पंचो,
सुनने के लिए दीजिए.
हाउ आर यू?
Jolly John
नमस्ते.
and Joseph Thakur, thank you so much for watching. So, we are going to listen to the bhajan now.
Yeah, so I'll tell you a nice version. Okay, I'll
Okay.
tell you. This is to the God, or somebody is requested to the God.
Yeah.
મારી વિનંતી તું સ્વીકારજે, મારા જીવનમાં તારો આધાર છે. હું શરણે આવ્યો છું પરમાત્મા, મારી લાજ પ્રભુ તારે હાથ છે.
Arey wow, beautiful, beautiful.
Could you understand something?
No. I really don't. Yeah. Can you
This
explain?
is
Can you explain, please?
this is a request in Gujarati
Mhm.
that I have a request to you, God, that
Mhm.
whenever something goes wrong with me, you are there to look after me. You are there to
Wow.
look after my life, and I have a
Okay.
great trust in you.
Wow. So nice. And today, when you do that, please add that this show becomes a hit and a success. Please
Absolutely.
ask,
Look,
ask
Jojo,
Dua.
this
Yeah.
show is gonna be super hit
Yes,
because
ma'am. Yes.
anything which has done with such a passion, such
जी
a
जी
pure intention. It has
yes
got no option to be,
correct
option
correct
बचता ही नहीं है.
जी मैम
And I
it is a humble
will,
start just praying that it becomes good
मैं आपको
yeah
कनेक्ट भी करके दूंगी ऐसे अच्छे लोगों
जी
के
बिल्कुल
साथ. आई विल डेफिनेटली सजेस्ट यू सम ब्यूटीफुल नेम्स हु कैन ब्रिंग योर
जी
शो ऑन हाई लेवल.
जी मैम I wish Chintan ji was here, at least 2 minutes we could. I don't know. He said he would be joining. Let's see.
मैं
So,
वो
ma'am,
कहीं
if
जरूर करूँ.
if you had to visit one place in South India, if you had to visit one place and you want somebody to take you to South India, which place would that be?
That Meenakshi temple,
Meenakshi Temple.
that very famous temple, बहुत अच्छा एक
Man,
temple है ना.
is anybody watching knows Meenakshi Temple? Where is it? Otherwise, मेरा बदनामी हो जाएगा अभी. Meenakshi
नहीं,
Temple.
वो वहीं पे है, आपके जोन में है. मीनाक्षी टेम्पल बहुत अच्छा एक है. और एल्स आई वुड लव टू गो टू दैट. आपके भगवान वो कौन से, हु इज द गॉड इन साउथ?
In South, there are different. There is Ganapati. There is Krishna. There is Madurai. So yeah, I got this thing. Meenakshi
मदुराई.
Temple. In Madurai. Yeah, yeah.
मदुराई.
Thank you, Raki. Thank you. You saved my life.
इवन आपके जो भगवान कार्तिकेय, लॉर्ड
जी,
कार्तिकेय इज देयर, राइट?
Karthik.
Lord Kartikeya is in south. Lord
Okay,
Kartikeya, the elder brother of Ganpati Bappa, is there,
okay.
right?
जी, जी. बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल सुना हूँ मैं.
So I think I would love to see one of his temple.
Okay, okay. I should update my knowledge about all these things. Yeah, very bad. I've only heard मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि आपको अगर आना है तो मैं क्या करूँ? Anyways, whenever you come, we have lot of people to take you to all the temples.
Where are you from? Sorry to ask you.
Bangalore, Bangalore. So I'm settled in Bangalore.
Bangalore. Wonderful.
Bangalore. Yeah,
And
yeah.
which
So you were
language do you speak?
sorry. See, now I am basically a Malayali. I speak Malayalam, but we've
Mm-hmm.
been settled here in Karnataka, in Bangalore.
Okay. But
Yeah.
your
So
Hindi is also very clear.
हिंदी इज आई डोंट नो इट्स जस्ट हैपेंस जब कैमरा पे आता है आ जाता है मगर अगर सेपरेटली आप सुनेंगे तो यू विल बी लाइक तुम हिंदी बात मत करो यू
No,
विल
you are very clear. Your dictions are also very clear in Hindi. I was going to ask you that. Have you
थैंक गॉड
practiced?
मैम थैंक गॉड
No, no, good one. Good Hindi.
जी जी थैंक यू सो मच सो नाउ मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इफ यू हैड टू इनवाइट any South Indian actor or any celebrity from South India to Gujarat, where would you take him first?
See, first, if anybody is coming to Gujarat, especially, then I would take them to two places.
Okay.
The nice places. One is Gandhi Ashram,
Uh-huh.
because
That's there.
everybody is using the note of Gandhi ji. We all are
जी
using.
बिल्कुल.
So you must know that where does he belong to. So
Okay.
one place is Gandhi ji ka jo ashram hai, where he
Okay.
used to do it all. And the
Okay.
second is the tallest idol of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel.
Acha,
You know,
which was launched. Yeah. I know. I heard about it.
so I think anybody coming from South must visit these two places.
And the main intention was also to mainly to attract tourism and everything. No, to the statue का बहुत बड़ा news चल रहा था. It's
Also
a
the
fantastic.
Kutch. Yeah, it's a beautiful. Also the Kutch,
Okay.
the desert of Kutch.
Acha. And which is the most favorite food of Gujarat?
Oh, Gujarati thali, dal, bhat, shak, rotli.
मस्त
This is
है
a
ना?
pure Gujarati is a very oily,
Hmm.
sweet,
Wow.
lavish food.
अच्छा.
Lavish.
अच्छा.
Yes,
बिल्कुल मेरे
lavish.
I can have it. I'm sure I can have it. I love food. I love food. Okay.
These are
What do you,
famous for cooking and serving both. They will serve you with,
okay.
yeah, please khao, jo
Aditi
thoda
Devo
lo.
Bhava. That's what you follow,
Yeah,
I think.
या काफी रहता
Aditi
है.
Devo
हमारे घर पे नॉर्मल भी हम बैठते हैं ना, जो खाना खाने, तो एक दूसरे को नॉर्मल भी परोसते रहते हैं. थोड़ा प्लीज
Okay.
ले लो, थोड़ा प्लीज
जी.
खा लो.
Okay. And I also heard, so I had a Guju friend, his name is Tejas Mewad from Gujarat.
हाँ हाँ
So he used to tell me that breakfast के लिए, मगर वो एक और चीज है वो बहुत बोलते थे. Okay. And we used to like have a beautiful time, during our college days.
हाँ
वो बोलते थे
हाँ
कि अरे ब्रो व्हाट यू नो हम गुज्जू लोग ना ब्रेकफास्ट के लिए भी जलेबी होता है चाय भी होता है और बहुत ज्यादा खाना होता है इज दैट ट्रू क्योंकि साउथ इंडियंस के लिए वो बिल्कुल डाइजेस्ट भी नहीं कर सकते मॉर्निंग
नहीं
स्वीट
नहीं है ना.
Yeah.
है गुजराती। वो तेजस
Wow.
ने एकदम सही बोला है। जलेबी भी
अच्छा.
होता है, फाफड़ा भी होता है, ढोकला भी होता है, चाय
Wow.
भी होती है। एंड यू विल बी सरप्राइज टू नो दैट हमारी जो थाली होती है, इट्स अपोजिट फूड। वी
जी.
ईट कर्ड, वी ईट मिल्क, एवरीथिंग
Okay.
एट अ सेम मील। दैट्स अ गुजराती
Wow.
फूड।
Wow, so nice. I mean, that itself is so nice, no? वो feeling of love, compassion, सब कुछ आ जाते हैं जब साथ में खाते हैं. Okay,
आ
and if
जाता
not a Guju, if you were not a Guju, which state of India would you would have belonged to?
आई थिंक I would think that I look little bit like Punjabis.
Punjabis,
So,
yes, yes.
so
You look
दो तीन लोगों ने
definitely.
मुझे आगे ऐसा पूछा है that you look like Punjabi. So
I
I
swear,
think
and I wish I would have become a Punjabi Veere of yours. Veere means brother, is what I know. They
yeah,
say
I know
Veere.
Veere,
Yeah,
Veere.
I know. And now moving on. Do you like veg or non-veg? Since you're a model.
I'm a pure vegetarian, but now
Okay.
currently I have diverted bit into vegetarian.
Okay, okay, okay. So does that help? Does that help with your physical appearance and maintenance diet?
To be very true, I don't know why shall I speak this or not, but a
Okay,
female body needs a lot more minerals, a lot
okay.
more
Proteins,
vitamins,
vitamins. Yeah.
yeah, a lot more blood because it's a female cycle. पता
Okay,
नहीं, बट फेमिनिटी के साथ अगर इसको कनेक्ट करने की कोशिश करें तो फीमेल मोस्टली वेजिटेरियन होती है मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम।
okay,
तो प्रोटीन का इंटेक, विटामिन बी, विटामिन D3, विटामिन सी, तो काफी इश्यूज रहते हैं। तो आई हैव बीन टोल्ड बाय माय जीपी के
okay.
बहुत आपको सिर्फ वेजिटेरियन खा के शायद थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट हो जाए। सो देन
अच्छा.
आई डाइव अ बिट टुवर्ड्स एगिटेरियन बिकॉज प्रोटीन एग से बहुत अच्छा मिलता है।
Would you love an ice cream or a gym? Would you like to work out at gym or would you like an ice cream?
आई थिंक आई लाइक एन आइसक्रीम।
Ah, nice. You're cool. You're cool. So, but at the same time, do you think it's important for today's ladies to hit the gym? Should they really work out?
Yes.
Yeah.
To be very true, some secrets I learned. I think मेरी screen थोड़ी सी वो हो गई. Just a second. आपकी
Here
screen
it's
चल
correct. Here it's correct. Yeah. Yeah.
Is
बिल्कुल
it
correct.
going on right? Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. It's
Uh,
going right.
to be very true, एक बहुत different myth है.
Okay.
Weight reduction, like obesity is a disease. हम जब
जी.
वजन कम करते हैं, is all a different zone.
Okay.
स्टेमिना
Okay.
बढ़ाना इज अ डिफरेंट जोन, और
जी.
अपने बोन्स को मजबूत करना, लाइक यू
Okay.
हैव टू मेक योर ओन बोन्स मजबूत, जैसा आपकी
जी.
खुद की बॉडी आपकी मजबूत हो, इज अ डिफरेंट जोन। तो
अच्छा.
आई थिंक फीमेल्स के लिए तीनों चीजों का बहुत इंपॉर्टेंस है। वेट
Okay.
कंट्रोल करना,
Okay.
अपना स्टेमिना बढ़ाना, एट द सेम टाइम अपने बोन्स को मजबूत करना, बिकॉज अ फीमेल हैज टू अंडरगो विद द हार्मोन इम्बैलेंस ऑल्सो, the
Correct. Correct.
menopause, the pre-menopause, like your mom is watching this show, right?
जी.
If I am not
जी. बिल्कुल.
mistaken.
Yeah.
So,
And she knows
we
she's a nurse as well, so she will
yeah,
know. Yeah.
so menopause, pre-menopause ये जितना भी आने वाला है, तो
जी.
जितना अगर बॉडी का अगर लेवल स्टेमिना का बना
Changes.
रहे उतना अच्छा है।
Okay. And ma'am, I wanted to ask you one very special question. In Gujarat, the industry, as you know, there also does, because it's a hot topic now, does nepotism exist there in the industry with regards to modeling and all that, acting?
Actually, nepotism, तो I think it is kind of disease which is spread almost
Mm,
everywhere.
जी.
बट आई वुड से कि टैलेंट जिनके पास है उनको
जी.
ये इफेक्ट नहीं करता।
Okay. Very true. Very true.
लाइक अगर आप अपने टैलेंट पे थोड़ा ट्रस्ट करेंगे, थोड़ा करेज रखेंगे, सी टू
बिल्कुल.
बी वेरी ट्रू, ये सब अभी पार्ट ऑफ द गेम है। यू हैव टू फाइट इट, यू हैव टू बट उसके ऊपर फोकस करके ही हम चले वैसा तो है ही नहीं।
बिल्कुल मैम, बिल्कुल. और आपको पार्टीज अच्छा लगता है? आप जाते हैं पार्टी करने के लिए या हाउ आर यू? नो.
नो, आई डोंट गो, नो पार्टी एनिमल नहीं हूँ सर, मैं आई एम अ फैमिली वुमन।
Very nice. Wow. That was a strong statement. So we are almost coming closer to ending this interview. Ma'am, thank you so much for being with us. You are such a wonderful woman and a strong woman and a big example to all the current generation ladies. and all the girls who are watching this. And tomorrow we're going to have again models from South India. So
Very
coming on,
nice.
yeah, on a live chat, and it is such an inspiration to people like them. You sharing your experience. It is so nice. And don't worry, you are seen on the screen. So
Okay.
before you leave, I want you to give a fantastic message, a final message to the youngsters of today, especially girls.
Absolutely. See, a message is a very simple message.
Ji,
You are the creator of your destiny.
wow.
Whoever you are, wherever you are,
Okay.
चाहे पूरी दुनिया आपके सपोर्ट में जुड़ जाए, until
Ji,
unless you don't
okay.
support yourself, no magic is going to happen. So
बिल्कुल.
please create, write your destiny in your
Okay.
own way. This is
Wow.
my
Wow.
message to all youngster. ये
Ji.
जो भी कुछ the rest यहाँ वहाँ की बातें हैं, keep
Hmm.
your focus very clean.
Ji.
Keep away all those people, everybody aside who are defocusing you. वो बहुत
Ji.
जरूरी है.
Yes.
Work
Yes.
on your habits.
Yes.
Keep your character strong-headed, strong
Wow.
character. वो चीज होना बहुत जरूरी है.
Just like Pooja ma'am. Just like Pooja ma'am.
Absolutely.
Keep a
And
strong-headed nerve ahead.
ये
you
इधर
know.
जोजो की तरह एक बात जोजो से भी कनेक्ट कर देती हूँ, जो मैं उनसे अभी सीखी हूँ.
Okay.
थिंक आउट ऑफ बॉक्स माय डियर फ्रेंड.
Sure.
जैसे
बिल्कुल.
उन्होंने ये शो जो निकाला है,
जी.
थिंक
जी.
आउट ऑफ बॉक्स,
बिल्कुल.
राइट चिलेक्स. तो आई थिंक यंगस्टर को आपसे भी बहुत सीखने की जरूरत है. अगर आप थोड़ा सा आउट ऑफ बॉक्स सोचेंगे
जी
तो
मैम.
फटाफट आपको क्विक सक्सेस मिलेगी.
Bilkul, bilkul. Wonderful message. Thank you, all our audience. Thank you, all our viewers. Please share,
थैंक
and I request ma'am also to share once you go offline, okay, to your pages, yeah, so that it'll be an
आई जस्ट
inspiration.
वांट जोजो जी, सिर्फ आपसे छोटी सी रिक्वेस्ट है, मैं आपको
Yeah,
कुछ लिंक्स भेज रही हूँ.
I'm going to
सो
paste that
ये
below
जो
our
हमारा,
chat.
या तो जो
Yeah,
हमारा एक ह्यूमन ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन का जो हमारा एक प्रण है, कॉम्बिनेशन में कपल गोल, दैट वी
okay.
वांट टू ट्रांसफॉर्म मिनिमम 1 लाख पीपल्स लाइफ, उसमें थोड़ी
Wow.
हेल्प हो जाएगी.
Bilkul,
राइट.
ma'am. Bilkul. Bilkul.
सो आई
Thank you,
सेंड
Teja
सम.
Shakil, who's been listening to us. Thank you, all our viewers. We had one of the most beautiful women, and I'm so happy that I know her. And she's a strong woman. She's not a party girl. She doesn't believe in being zero figure, but God has blessed her with wonderful, strength. And, ma'am, all the best wishes to your future endeavors as well. Okay, and especially from South India. Very soon, we would love to see you on South Indian screens as well. Please do.
एब्सोल्युटली, विद
Yeah.
आवर फेवरेट हीरो. आप मेरे सब भी जो साउथ इंडियन जितने भी हीरोज हैं, उन
Okay.
सबको मेरा मैसेज दीजिएगा दैट वी लव साउथ इंडियन मूवीज एंड साउथ इंडियन हीरोज.
You're so much in love with them. I'm jealous.
वीरा, अभी आप
Ah,
मेरे वीरा हो, so you can't
I
be
know.
jealous.
Thank you, Dee. Thank you so much.
Absolutely.
Take
Thank
care,
you
man.
everybody.
Yeah.
Lots of namaskaram to all of you, और आपके पेरेंट्स को मेरा बहुत बड़ा नमस्ते. Thank you for being on this show. Right? Thank
Thank
you,
you.
dear.
Thank
Bye
you, ma'am.
bye.
Thank you. Thank you. I'll
See you
call you
soon.
later. Bye bye. See you, ma'am. Thank you so
Take
much.
care. Take care. Bye.
Yeah. So, viewers, as you were listening to this wonderful lady who was very strong, who was absolutely perfect in her delivery of words, sentences, she's gone through so much. She's come out of it. She's fought her battle. And today she's one of the best known trainer, personality groomer in Gujarat, in the state of Gujarat, along with her husband as well. And she was lucky and fortunate enough to meet our Prime Minister Ji Modi ji as well. So that is where you can reach if you're really determined to do something and if you really want to go ahead in life. So all the best to my viewers. My viewers, please subscribe UTM Hunt YouTube channel as well. That is where you're going to find all our recorded shows. You're going to find all the upcoming participants of our talent hunt, which is the UTM Unsung Talent Miracles Human Rights Committee. Thank you so much for presenting this entire show and the competition. Thanks to Dr. Mukesh Sharma, who's the national president of HRC. Thanks to all my friends who are supporting me and being my friends. Please share this video. We want to make this bigger, better, and we want to make it very informative and learning. Thank you for all your love and support. Thank you to Chintan ji, who's my pillar and who's my co-supporter as well. Thank you to All India Stephen Devasi Fans Association, who has sponsored our talent hunt competition as well. So I take this opportunity to thank everybody, And it's just a humble beginning. We would love to remain at this stage itself with the humility that we all need to have. So let's get our egos down. Let's focus on what we want to do. And for the ladies, especially after listening to ma'am today, be strong, be safe, and be the mighty one. Thank you.